Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shree's Vlog. Me and my mother, we both are going to a village. Hey guys, you can see we already reached at that village. Actually, in weekend time, I prefer to spend time with nature, with family, rather than watching movie or spending time with any kind of materialistic stuff like going to shopping mall or like any other kind of activities because nature give me so much peace. Now we are coming back to home. I actually do not want to go back to home. I wanted to spend more time in nature, but we have to go to home. So we are going to home. So before going home, we thought we will have some food because actually I didn't have proper breakfast. So here you can see we are having momo. So we will have chicken momo and then we will go to home. So here we are waiting for momo.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down.